Hello, friends. Welcome to today's Bollywood news update. I'll give you all the hot and trending news from Bollywood world today. So do subscribe our channel for regular Bollywood news. And do not forget to hit the bell icon. Sushant Singh Rajput's driver reveals late actor and Sara Ali Khan stopped staying in touch after Thailand trip. Sushant Singh Rajput's driver Dhirendra stated that during his tenure, the actor was not into drugs and in fact followed a strict schedule. Sushant Singh Rajput's driver Dhirendra Yadav, who has been interrogated by the CBI in the late actor's death probe, has spoken up to several media outlets about the actor's life. Speaking on India TV, SSR's driver stated that he worked for the late actor from October 2018 to April 2019. He touched upon the relationship that Sushant and Sara Ali Khan shared, saying that they were close and good friends. When asked if Sara used to visit the late actor's home, he said she used to not come home. They had gone to promote Kedarnath on Bigg Boss and that's when they traveled together. Sushant's close friend Samuel Hakopik and earlier revealed that Sara and Sushant were smitten by each other. In fact, the duo had also gone to Thailand in January 2019 with reportedly a couple of friends. Anushka Sharma showcases her baby bump on social media. Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli made all of us happy last month when they announced their pregnancy. They made the big announcement with a picture, and today Anushka Sharma shared her picture flaunting her baby bump and penned down a sweet note along with it. Anushka Sharma, who loves staying in touch with her fans, shared a lovely click where she is seen caressing her stomach on a beach. She penned down her thoughts, saying, "Nothing is more real and humbling than experiencing creation of life in you. When this is not in your control, then really what is?" Now that's really a profound thought indeed. Adipurush director Om Rawat reveals why he chose Prabhas for the role, saying his eyes suit the character. Adipurush starring Prabhas as the lead actor will have Saif Ali Khan as the main antagonist. The makers are yet to reveal the film's leading lady. By now, we all know that Prabhas will be next seen playing as Lord Ram in the next film Adipurush. The film directed by Om Rawat is one of the most anticipated films of Tollywood. Saif Ali Khan will be playing as the main antagonist in it, while the makers have not yet revealed the rest of the cast and crew. However, we will not know for sure as to who will play the female lead role in the film unless the makers come up with an official statement. Now, the film's director had opened up during an interrogation that when wanted Prabhas to play the main lead role as he has sharp eyes that will suit the character. He was quoted by saying, "The Times of India, his eyes, stunts and body language suit the character. I'm thankful he accepted to play the part." Ranbir Kapoor spotted shooting dressed in a police uniform. Bollywood actor Ranbir Kapoor has resumed work post the lockdown. He was recently spotted dressed in a khaki police uniform on the set. Pictures of Ranbir shooting as a police officer has gone viral on social media, with his fans' pages posting them. Fans were thrilled to see the actor in the avatar, as he has never played a police officer in any of his films. In one of the pictures, Ranbir is seen standing near a police jeep. In another picture, he is seen sitting on a chair along with his co-stars. Reportedly, the actor was shooting for an advertisement. Bollywood names in narcotics list, say government sources. In what could prove to be a major embarrassment for a leading news channel that flashed the names of Sara Ali Khan, Rakul Preet Singh and dress designer Simeon Kambata as those names by Riya Chakrabarti during his interrogation by the NCB. Government sources that this writer spoke to outright deny and such leaks to the channel. Another news channel got even more initiative theatre after and mentioned the names of the casting director Mukesh Chavra and media manager Rohini Iyer in Riya's drug confession. But it is confirmed by the government that there is no Bollywood names in the NCB list. The Kapoor opposite Varun Dhawan in Amar Kaushik's Vedia. While the official announcement of a digital release of Varun Dhawan's next Kohli #1 is yet to come, the actor has been on a signing spree. Varun, who started the year with Street Dancer 3D, was picking his films after investing a lot time in it. He has recently been signed on for Raj Mehta's next with Kiara Advani. Apart from the Dharma project, another film that he has signed up for is with Stray director Amar Kaushik. The film is tentatively titled Bhedia and will have Dinesh Vijan producing it. Some of the top actresses' names were doing the rounds for the same, but now it is told that the Amar has his wish list in Shraddha Kapoor. Mushy post by Priyanka Chopra Jonas for Nick Jonas is all heard. Priyanka Chopra Jonas has been in Los Angeles ever since the lockdown has been implemented and has been spending quality time with her husband Nick Jonas. She keeps giving us a glimpse of what her normal day looks like in Los Angeles and always leaves us wanting for more. Recently, Priyanka Chopra Jonas shared a selfie with Nick Jonas, which took social media PDA to the next level. The actress is seen holding him in a warm embrace. She has captioned the picture saying, "My forever guy. So grateful for you." Now that's really a sweet post. Priyanka's mushy post for her hubby on social media shows how much the couple adores each other. Nargish Fakhri's latest boyfriend Justin Santos loves her sense of humor. The lovely Nargis Fakhri, who reportedly broke off with her filmmaker boyfriend Matt Alonso in January and now said to be dating New York-based chef Justin Santos. Justin's Instagram feed is all about his love for travel and food. He has also taken to posting pictures with Nargis Fakhri. Recently, he shared a heartwarming post dedicated to her. He said, "Look at this perfect woman right here. How did I get so lucky? On top of her everything, drop dead gorgeous. Would you believe me if I told you her jokes were hilarious too? Laughter and food are the keys to one's heart, as they say." Nargis and Justin seem to have hit upon the right combination to keep their relationship going. Khalipili makers altered the spelling of Beyonce in the song Beyonce Sharma Jayegi after backlash. A week ago, the makers of Ishant Khattar and Ananya Pandey star Khalipili released the first song from the film titled Beyonce Sharma Jayegi. However, the song received backlash for its racist undertones as it had the lyrics "Tujhe dekh ke Goriya, Beyonce Sharma Jayegi." Now the makers have altered the spelling for the word Beyonce to Beyonce after the backlash. Kangana Ranaut meets Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Kangana Ranaut has been making headlines ever since her return in Mumbai after spending 6 months in Himachal during the lockdown. On the day of her arrival, the BMC demolished her office premises in Bandra. Today, Kangana Ranaut, along with her sister Rangoli, met Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari at Raj Bhavan. While several pictures have dropped on the internet where we can see Kangana and Rangoli seated with the governor, the actress has spoken to ANI to tell everyone her purpose to visit Raj Bhavan. She says, "I told him about the unjust treatment I have received. I hope justice will be given to me so that the faith of all citizens, including young girls, is destroyed and restored in the system. I am fortunate that the government listened to me like his own daughter." Friends, this is it for today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Do not forget to like the video and share the video with your friends. Do subscribe for regular updates and click the bell icon. See you in the next video very soon. Till then, stay safe and be healthy.